Hello everyone, let's solve this question for today. There is a triangle with the following lengths and there is a circle inside the triangle. This is how the diagram looks. Before solving the question, I want to discuss about three concepts. The first one is Heron's formula. Heron's formula tells about area of a triangle. It is square root of s into s minus 1 into s minus b into s minus c. Here a, b, c are sides of the triangle and s is semi-perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is a plus b plus c. As s is the semi-perimeter, I am dividing it with 2. Another concept is there is one more formula for finding the area of the triangle. It is area is equal to r times s. S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle and r is the radius of the circle which is inscribed in it. So from using these formulas now we are going to solve this question. As we know the sides of the triangle is 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. I am taking a is equal to 13, b is equal to 14, c is equal to 15. Now s is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 42 over 2. It is 21 centimeters. Now if we substitute the value of s in Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of 21 times 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So it is square root of 21 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, which is equal to square root of 7056. It is a perfect square. Its value is 84 centimeter square. Now we have area of the triangle and semi-perimeter of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to 84 centimeter square and semi-perimeter of the triangle is equal to 21 cm. If we substitute the values in the formula, a is equal to radius times semi-perimeter, we can find the value of the radius. From Heron's formula, we got area is 84 centimeter square is equal to radius times semi-perimeter of the triangle, which is equals to 21. So r is equal to 84 divided by 21. So r is equal to 4 centimeters. So radius of the circle which is inscribed in the triangle is 4 centimeters.